office items. Say the word. 24 office words. Ready? Let's start. Desk. Say desk. Office chair. Say office chair. Computer. Say computer. Monitor. Say monitor. Keyboard. Say keyboard. Mouse. Say mouse. Printer. Say printer. Scanner. Say scanner. Folder. Say folder. Envelope. Say envelope. Paper. Say paper. Notebook. Say notebook. Pen. Say pen. Pencil. Say pencil. Stapler. Say stapler. Paper clips. Say paper clips. Tape dispenser. Say tape dispenser. Calculator. Say calculator. Calendar. Say calendar. Clock. Say clock. Desk lamp. Say desk lamp. Whiteboard. Say whiteboard. Marker. Say marker. Sticky notes. Say sticky notes. Now play a quick quiz. Find the office item. Find the calculator. Correct! Calculator. Find the stapler. Correct! Stapler. Find the whiteboard. Correct! Whiteboard. Let's review. Desk, office chair, computer, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, folder, envelope, paper, notebook, pen, pencil, stapler, paper clips, tape dispenser, calculator, calendar, clock, desk lamp, whiteboard, marker, sticky notes. Great job, BrightCue Kids!